Let's do a couple problems on density and temperature conversions. And this density is different from the other density problems because this one converts centimeter cube into milliliter. So let's read the problem. Some metal chips of volume 3.29 centimeter cubed are found to have a weight of 18.432 grams. What is the density of this metal in grams per milliliters? So as we know, density is mass over volume, which then would be 18.432 grams divided by 3.29 centimeter cube. Now you can do this calculation as such and then convert the centimeter cube to milliliter, or you can do the conversion first, and the conversion for centimeter cube to milliliter is direct conversion, okay, which means that 1 centimeter cube is 1 milliliter, or you can set it up as 3.29 centimeter cube times, and then set it up in a dimensional analysis way. It's centimeter cube, milliliter, 1, and then cross out the units, okay, which means that this is also equivalent to 18.432 grams divided by 3.29 milliliters, okay, as such. So it's not that different from any other density calculation. So then when you do the calculation of this, which is 18.432 divided by 3.29, you end up getting 5.6024, so on and so forth, but we need to come down to 3 significant figures because of 3.29. So then this becomes 5.60 grams per milliliter. That's my final answer then for this problem. So this is how you would convert centimeter cube into milliliters. Okay, so 3.29 milliliters. All right, now the next problem that I'm going to do here for you is some temperature conversions. And the first one that I have here is a conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit. And so these are simple calculations. You just have to follow the formulas, okay, for this one. So converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, so which means that Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times whatever Celsius you have plus 32, okay. And then remember, excuse me, I put the brackets in the wrong place. This is what it should be, okay. So you multiply the 1.8 by the degree Celsius and then add the 32. And so just keep it simple like that. So 1.8 times and then 28.5 plus 32. And this is equal to 83.3 degree Fahrenheit. Make sure you have the right significant figures. Okay, and then for Fahrenheit to Celsius, okay, it's the other way around, which means degrees Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32, and then this is all divided by 1.8, so which means 1948.7 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8, and this gives us 1064.76. and let's check our significant figures, and we have 5 here, so let's bring this to 5. So 1064.8, and this is going to be then Celsius. Now one quick way to check your answers if they're correct or not is, of course, check your numbers, because Fahrenheit is always going to be higher in number than the original Celsius, and the Celsius is going to be smaller, okay, than the Fahrenheit, and that's how you know that you have the right answers. Converting Fahrenheit to Kelvin is not a straightforward calculation, so in this case what you'll have to do is take Fahrenheit to Celsius and then to Kelvin, okay. And so let's go ahead and convert our Fahrenheit to Celsius first, so which means degree Celsius is equal to 321 minus 32 divided by 1.8, and this gives us the 160.56. I will not round off yet because I still have more calculations to do, so I will round off after all my calculations. This is my degree Celsius. So now I'm going to take 160.56 plus 273, which is for Kelvin, and this gives me 433.56 And this I can round off now to 434 Kelvin in the right significant figure, and that's the answer. So just check all these things as you go along.